So basically the idea is to give those who are interested in cybersecurity as a career some hands-on experience and some exposure to the kinds of things that they will be doing in Industry 4.0. We're trying to ultimately bridge the gap between interested enthusiasts and cybersecurity workers. So we want to give them some very basic knowledge and hands-on training so they can leverage those into when they do their interviews for the jobs and that are looking for these types of hands-on trainings. Training new employees is very expensive, so we want to help kind of offset that as kind of a byproduct. So for several of the exercises, they are using the MetaQuest headsets. We augment their reality such that it's as if they are in a smart factory or in some sort of industry that uses a lot of IoT and smart equipment, a lot of programming. This is kind of to take them through the kinds of tasks that they would be working on if they were to get a job in the industry for cybersecurity, encouraging them to look for vulnerabilities and start thinking like a cybersecurity industry specialist before they have to do it out in the real world. Like, we want to, for all intents and purposes, revolutionize the way we train cybersecurity enthusiasts who want to work in Industry 4.0.